Hello, friends, and welcome back to Restore You. It's Angela, and I am so pumped up. I have been getting some fabulous kits and supplies that I have been in need of, and I've tried to not order a bunch of stuff because I needed to kind of plow through all of the things that I have on hand. But I am working on some intricate lap books, and I have a lot of them started, and so I was kind of thinking about themes, so I could use some advice here because I bought two from Echo Park that I really like. And my thought was, one is A Slice of Summer. It's by Lori Whitlock, and again, it's Echo Park Paper Company. And then the other one I bought is called Creative Agenda, and that's Caitlin Schaefer. And so my thought was, for this one, I would do this as a travel log or a vacation journal. But then I started to think about it a little bit more. And when I was growing up, we camped a ton. And then when I had kids, we both tent camped, and then we had a camper. And I always kept a supply of paper crafting materials, and I had a scrapbook that I would log where we'd been, what the weather was like, all of those fun things. So I thought maybe this would be something for all my camping enthusiasts out there to have on hand in their camper or in their vehicle as they're traveling and are on the road. So let me show you what it is. First of all, the colors are beautiful. It's got, the reds and the turquoises and all that good fun stuff. And all of them are two-sided, which I adore. They're all filled with, I think almost every one of the Echo Parks comes with journaling cards. And then if you don't like that, you got some dragonflies. Dragonflies are my jam along with the campers. Dragonflies represent new beginnings and all kinds of other things. So that's kind of my little insect of choice. But there's some vintage campers, just a plain. There's some, the old red truck, that little farmhouse theme. And then that's the backside. Here's some more fun journaling cards. But then you can see there's some little tags and things that you can tuck in and put wherever you want those to be. Some ice cream cones and popsicles. Just everything summer, which I like. What I like about these is when I use a larger portion of that and then I have leftovers, I can always cut out the small things and adhere them to something else and make something even more beautiful. There's just a turquoisey color lemonade stand. How sweet is that? My kids used to love to do lemonade stands, although we lived on a really busy road kind of in the country and wasn't a lot of traffic there, but hey, they had fun doing it. More journaling cards with some strawberry themed paper on the back. More florals. You can never go wrong with florals. Some vintage wood grain lemons and just a solid, some ladybugs. And a pretty color there. Oh, more journaling cards. This makes my heart happy. And cherries. Love that. And then, this is always the creme de la creme. This is the sticker pack that comes with it. And you guys, these are only $15. So you can't beat this. I mean, you're getting a ton of product in one pack. And I intend to use this for several. One thing, I don't know if I've shared this before, but what I tend to do is I plan my project, plan my theme, and then I keep all of my, I dump my scrap bucket for every project and keep all of those scraps together. And then when I'm finished, then I design smaller projects that I can use those for. I might do baby bundles or, baubles, the ones that I like to do a bunch of and do like a packet of those. I might do mini journals or you know, who knows what. But when I find when I do that, then I use up most of my scraps kind of ongoing, so I don't just chuck them all into my scrap bin and forget about them. So don't forget. Try that. It really works. This one is one I may do for myself. It's called Creative Agenda. And it's got like a lot of stuff that I love. You know, it's got camera things, but and I have not looked at any of these. That's part of my thing when I do this unboxing. I get so excited. And I like to just share it with you. But these are fun journal cards. Check it off the list. Oh, those are sweet. And these are more pastel-y colors, which is always a good blend. Cute. This has got some like the apertures and things for cameras. What's on here? Oh, these are just circles. Arrows. I love arrows. It makes me just think little boho. Ooh, this is nice. These are agenda cards. How fabulous. Those are just dates. Sweet. This is like a crossword / word search. Solid. Some little bubbly watercolors. Gosh, these are just gorgeous. More checks and balances. That's cute. These designers are just amazing. More arrows. And you know what? The beautiful thing is, like, I love to go perusing paper at, you know, shops and such, but when I can have everything together, I tend to be more productive, which makes me extremely happy. So more little tuck cards, kind of a geometric, some push pins, a grid. Oh, this is pretty. Little rainbow of days. Another geometric, side stripe, and then there's my cameras. I was waiting for those. So adorable. And then the last one, ta-da, all of the beautiful, beautiful stickers. And the cool thing about this particular pack is that while I'm going to probably make one of these for myself, I also love that they've got all of these journal prompts. So if I'm doing a bullet journal for someone, I can use those things along with the prompts that I create for them. So that's pretty fun and exciting too. But I just wanted to show you these and look for future videos because I will be doing some that are specifically around these paper kits that I've got in the future. And in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to our page, please do so below. So you can't do that down there. And be sure to take a hop over to either our Instagram page. You can look at Meet the Shrods, which has kind of everything on there that we're doing, or you can go to Restore You, which is specifically to our creative movement, which includes all of our fun friends that like to craft and create along with us, and we will do some exciting things. And you can also follow us on Instagram at To Restore You, which is a new Instagram account. So it's building up. So make sure that you take a second and follow us. Tell us what you're up to. Show us your projects. We'd love to see it. In the meantime, make sure you take time to just be, and I'll see you next time.